Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Invisible Scribble, written and illustrated by Danny Albert. The story is strange and I think you'd agree it's about a scribble you just cannot see. Each day he would try to spin and twirl, hoping just once he'd see a bright swirl. But sadly, he'd always see the same. That's how he got his invisible name. All the other scribbles were such a great sight, red, blue, and green. Teal and magenta and incredible flare and yellow and purple made the perfect pair. Invisible would watch them frolic all day, but didn't have the confidence to ask them to play. He worried he wouldn't fan the group because he couldn't make a colorful loop. Lonely and confused, he started to look at the display. He said to himself, "Why can't I look that way? Why can't anyone see me instead of nothing at all? I wish I was good enough to be up on that wall." Red could hear that Invisible was so sad and said, "Maybe we could help. We have a color to add. What if Blue and I spun around really quick? Maybe some of our color would fly off and stick." The three of them squiggled and began to play. Invisible swirled in his usual way, but this time he scribbled a light violet hue. He was finally seen. He felt so new. He thanked Red and Blue for having a kind heart. He took a giant leap to start his own art. When he landed, he was invisible once more. Invisible cried out, "Can't you see? There must be something wrong with me." With his head tilted down, he slowly walked away and said, "I'll just stand here and watch you all play." "Nothing's wrong with you," Orange said with a shout. "We are here for you. We will figure out. Have you heard of Fun Splatter Crew? They change colors like chameleons do." When the Paints heard their name, they arrived in a hurry. They got all mixed up and became a bit blurry. They were having so much fun that they just weren't aware the invisible scribble was just standing right there. It happened so fast, and oh, how they splashed when they accidentally collided and crashed. Paint covered Invisible and from head to toe. Something great happened. He started to show. His form resisted the paint, and his color shined through. Invisible cheered. "My dream has come true. I thought all this time I was invisibly drawn. I thought all this time, but my color just matched the paper I was on." Invisible was excited to create more art, but quickly when he noticed he couldn't start, "I've run out of paper. I can't even try." Then he noticed Snippet nearby. Snippet was the kind and knew just what to do. And said, "I have some paper in the colorful hue. I bet you could make a beautiful scene with some navy blue and forest green." Snippet grabbed in the paper for Invisible to try out. "We believe in you," they all said with a shout. Invisible jumped on and gave it a whirl. You could see every twist and swirl. He was happy. He yelled to everyone, "Let's create! It'll be so much fun!" Splatters filled the space above and below. All the snippets made the structures in a row. The scribbles added texture with wiggly lines. There were so many wonderful, bright new designs. "I can't believe it," Invisible proclaimed. "I'm on the wall. I'm finally framed. Your kindness grew my self-esteem. You gave me courage to fulfill my dreams. Thank you for all believing me. And once felt hidden but now I can see that each of you helped fill my heart. I've always made me see I was always art." I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!